Hello, my name's Cole Sweet, and this is my submission for the Ubisoft Next Programming Challenge. I made a game that is called Tower Defense, which is a play on the tower defense prompt that we were given. And so clearly it says A to start. This is the title screen. I'll press A, and we start the game right away. You can see me in the bottom left corner. I'm that little green orb, and you see all these shots being fired at me from these towers that line the edges of the screen. So obviously, if I get hit by one of these bullets, my health goes down, and you're showing the health at the bottom left of the corner, and also you see the score. So also at the top of the screen it says reach the green goal square. So I'm going to go over and reach this goal square. When I get there, it clears the screen of all bullets. And then we're told to build a tower at your location using the A button. So at my location I'll press A, and a new tower is built. When you create a new tower, its attributes are actually randomized. And that includes how fast it fires, where the bullet is aiming at, and also if it's a homing bullet or a regular bullet, etc. So now I'll return to the orange square like it says, and now we have a new tower, and it's a homing tower. So these bullets actually home at me. They don't just fire straight. They slowly move towards you, which make it really difficult. And right here we have a points pickup. So if I go to that and I collect it, my points go up by 1,000. And once your points, every interval of 4,000 of your points, a new pickup will spawn. So now I will put another one down. And there's another cool feature, which is that if you get too close to a tower, bullets won't spawn on you because I turn off the shooting, because it would be really annoying for a player to be standing near a tower and just get shot without having a chance to be, reflexive. So as you can see, there's being a big wall of homing bullets here. It's very difficult to get through, so it really forces you to have to move around the full screen. And if the bullets start getting too chaotic, I also implemented a thing where if you press down the right bumper, you move slower. So you can have some more fine-tuning between where you are. And now some spawns are some health pickups. So these increase your health by 1 every time you get it. Pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, so if you get too dicey, if there's a lot of projectiles near you, you can always just slow down with the right bumper and have some more fine-tuning to avoid the bullets. I made the bullets have pretty small collisions just because when you have a bullet hell game like this, you really want to make it feel better for the player. But yeah, and so the goal is to get the highest score as possible, and you'll see that when I die, when I'm shot by all the bullets, the game resets. And that's the entire game. So, the basics of the game is that we have these objects, game objects. Everything in the world is a game object. And most game objects are entities. Basically, an entity, which inherits the game object, is a object that has a position. And so the main loop is that during the update, we loop through every single entity or object, and we update it. And it's a similar idea for the rendering. We loop through every entity, and we draw it. And that's the overall basics of it. I was really inspired. I really wanted to push myself and see if I could make a tower defense game where you place down towers and the towers shoot at you. I thought that was a really interesting approach to try and see if you could do that. In addition to that, I was really curious to see if I could make a game where it's not just a drag and drop of towers on a grid, but you actually physically place down towers where you are on the map. I thought that was a really interesting idea to try and push what I could do in addition to all the randomization of the towers. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a good day.